This is Nate 240SX back with another video, and today I have a little something special for you guys. My new fidget spinner. Mine is silver, and if you haven't seen Hayden's, his is like blue or green. Which, by the way, if Hayden, you are watching this, let me know what color yours is, because it looked green in the dark but blue in the light. Mine's silver, as you can see. So yeah. Yeah, those are basically the only two tricks that I know. Ah! No, I dropped it. It's alright. Mine is a chrome color. I know it looks like there's two of them when it's spinning, which is kind of trippy if you think about it. Oh! Hey guys, look, I have a spinning heart. Ah! I have a spinning heart, guys. Just kidding. It's a fidget spinner. There's a lot of stuff you can do with these. Ooh. Ooh, that catched it.
Yeah, it's funny, I was hearing that the other things that are necklaces. Oh, boy. I know it's hard to tell. It is. Because even when you send me that picture, like, it was hard to think about her, too. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, she was just like, I really even know the $100 just to see.
Ooh, dang. Already 2 minutes just using this fidget spinner. Alright guys, that's it. Nate 240SX signing out.